Hey folks, we're talking about the evidence you need to get a settlement from a South Carolina bar or restaurant for over-serving a drunk driver who causes a car accident. The first thing you need to remember is the bar or restaurant is never going to admit it. And you've got to prove they knew or should have known their customer was intoxicated but served him alcohol anyway. Here's what you're gonna need as far as evidence goes. The key to your case might be a forensic toxicologist. That's an expert who can testify the drunk driver would have appeared intoxicated when the bar or restaurant kept serving him alcohol. The next thing you're going to need is critical evidence from the bar or restaurant. Getting that usually requires a lawsuit. A hard, fast decision you're going to need to make is whether you contact the bar or restaurant to tell them to preserve evidence, including any surveillance video of the drunk driver. You're also going to need the sales receipts to prove how much the drunk driver drank at the bar or restaurant. Sometimes those can just be confusing to figure out. Another piece of evidence you're going to need from the bar or restaurant that's critical is their alcohol service policy. You can use that to determine whether the bar or restaurant encouraged employees to overserve customers or whether employees failed to follow their own rules, which can be powerful evidence of fault. You need police evidence. Reports, witness statements, and dash cam videos can prove intoxication, and if the police get a statement from the drunk driver, that can help you build your case against the bar or restaurant too. And you might get critical evidence from a surprising source, the drunk driver. Your attorney can reach out to the criminal defense attorney for the drunk driver to negotiate a meeting to generate critical evidence like where he drank, when he drank, how much he drank. Another source of important evidence may be the prosecutor. She builds the criminal case based on much the same evidence. However, she's going to be a lot more willing to deal with your attorney, who's her colleague, than just with you. So in the end, you got a complicated case that's hard to prove. You've suffered severe injuries, and it's going to be overwhelming to gather all this evidence, analyze it, and figure out how to present it the proper way. This is just not the case to be your own lawyer. Give it to a professional. Call me, let me answer your questions, and see what I can do to help you get a proper settlement for a bar or restaurant that did you wrong by failing to keep you safe from a drunk driver. I thank you for thinking about this, and I hope I see you soon.